أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أفلا تعقلون صدق الله العظيم. I ask Allah to protect me from the accursed, the rejected devil, in the name of Allah, who is the most gracious, the most merciful. Can't you use your brain? Can't you use your mind? Can't you use your IQ? Can't you use your common sense? Can't you use your reasoning capacity? We are told that Jesus died for our sins because we sinned and Jesus died. Now my question is, I am the president of the country. I am the president of the country, and my country is doing very well. The people of my country are not in need of anything, are not in short of anything. And then a president from another country sends his people to come to my country and start doing wrong things. They start murdering people, they start drinking alcohol. In my country, this thing is not happening. They start drinking alcohol, they start raping, they start molesting children, they start gayism and lesbianism, they start money laundering, they start witchcraft. They do all the wrong things that you may think about. They start breaking people's houses, they start confiscating people's lands, people's wealth in my country. And guess what? I know that president who sent these people into my country to come and cause this chaos. And then from there, me, as the generous president, as the merciful president, I know who sent these people into my country. And in return, me, I turn to my son and say, my son, because of all what these people are doing in my country, I'm going to slaughter you. You are going to die for their sins. Whatever wrong that they did in this country, my son, because of my generosity and my mercy and my kindness and my grace, I'm going to slaughter you on their behalf. And then my son turns and says, Daddy, forgive them, for they don't know what are they doing. I'm giving up my own son. But I know the person who sent these people. Instead of me going to this particular person who is the president of his own country, who sent people to come and do chaos in my country, I turn and slaughter my own son. This is what you people are telling us. You are saying that God created people and he put them on the earth. And he told them not to sin. He told them not to rape. He told them not to steal. He told them not to worship any other gods besides him. And you people started doing exactly the opposite. And God knows, because he's the one who created the devil, he knows who is whispering to people to do all these wrong things. And that stupid God, that non-entity God, that good-for-nothing God, he turned and say, I'm giving my son. For God loved the world like so much. He loved the world that he gave his only begotten son so that he'll be sacrificed as a sacrificial lamb. What did the son do? Nothing. Did the son take anybody's stuff? Nothing. Did the son kill anybody? Nothing. Did the son steal somebody's stuff? Nothing. Did the son commit any rape? Nothing. Did the son do any money laundering? Nothing. So why is the son going to be slaughtered? Why is becoming a sacrificial lamb? It's insane to me. This is insanity to me. It does not make sense. Those people who think it makes sense, please, and let me understand, how does this make sense? Wa akhiru dawana and alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.